So next, we have prefix to infix conversion. So ito naman, yung prefix na notation natin, i-convert natin siya into your infix notation. So we have here an example. So we have asterisk 5 minus and then exponentation operator, and then 6, 2, and 2. So unlike kanina dun sa postfix to infix, we are going to scan it from left to right. This time, yung gagawin natin sa prefix to infix, scan natin yung character from left to right. So left, from right to left naman. So doon tayo sa right side mag-umpisa ng pag-scan. So again, nung nag-start tayo ng scan, so we have 2. So we have to check first muna. So is full operation tayo. So is full, and then check natin kung full ba yung ating stack or hindi. So since that is not full, so we can push yung ating character na, yung element 2 natin. So push 2. So if we scanned a character or operand, automatically ipupush natin siya sa stack natin. The next, we have scanned 2, so that is operand. So push again yung 2 doon sa stack natin. The next character, we have our element, so 6. So again, push operation tayo doon sa stack natin. So that is next. So and then after ng 6 natin, so we have encountered an exponentation expression or sign. So since that is an operator, yung mangyayari, we are going to pop just like dun sa prefix natin to infix. Pero this time, we are going to pop 2 operands. Pero ngayon, yung maunang mapop, ilalagay natin siya doon sa left side. So left operand naman. Kung doon sa postfix natin to infix, yung naunang na-pop is sa right, pero dito kay prefix to infix, yung maunang ma-pop, ilalagay natin sa left operand. So, nung nag-pop tayo, pop 6. So, nung nag-pop tayo ng 6 natin, so napunta siya dito kay left operand. And then after that, pop tayo ng 2 since 2 yung next. So pop 2. So nung nag-pop tayo ng 2, napunta siya doon sa ating right operand. So ito siya, right operand. And then yung character na scan natin kanina, ito si exponentation expression, lalagay natin siya again sa gitna nila. And then in-close natin ng open and close parentheses. So after that, itong nabuo nating infix notation, we are going to push it back. Push natin yung 6 raised to 2 na expression doon sa ating stack. So ito na yung magiging laman ng stack natin. The next, we have yung subtraction sign. So again, since that is an operator, so operator siya, so mangyayari, magkakaroon tayo ng pop operation. So mangyayari, ipapop natin yung elements na dun sa taas. So we have 6 raised to 2, so ipapop natin yan. So, pop natin. And then, yung naunang na-pop natin na yon, mapupunta siya sa left operand. Then, yung pangalawang na pop natin is 2. Pop natin yung 2. So, mapupunta naman yung element 2 doon sa right operand. And then, itong subtraction sign natin will be put doon sa gitna nilang dalawa. And then, enclose natin again sa open and close parentheses. And then next, we have, after nun, ipupush natin ito doon sa stack natin. So, we are going to push doon sa stack natin. -2. So, yan. And then, mapupunta siya doon sa stack natin. Ito. And then, after that, next scan natin is 5. So, since that is an operand, so push natin siya doon sa ating stack. So, ito na yung magiging laman. And then, next, we have asterisk. So, since asterisk is an operator, so again, magkakaroon tayo ng pop operation. So, we are going to pop. We are going to pop natin ito. And then, mapupunta siya doon sa right side. Ay, 5 pala. So, hindi muna ito. 5 muna yung mapapop. Kasi siya yung pinaka-top. So, 5 muna. So, pop natin yung 5. Mapupunta siya doon sa right. Left. Side. And then, next na natin is pop natin yung and then mapupunta siya doon sa right side. And then yung asterisk kanina, lalagay natin sa gitna and then enclose natin sila sa open and close parentheses. And then right after that, yung nabuo nating infix notation kanina will be put doon sa ating will be push doon sa ating stack. So 5 asterisk so yun. So ipupush natin siya doon sa loob. So, yan. And then, yung final na laman ng stock natin, that will be our infix equivalent. So, yun na yung infix equivalent ng ating prefix notation. So, that is conversion from prefix notation to your infix notation. So here, we're going to take up an example of conversion from prefix notation to your infix notation. So we have plus AB. So this is prefix notation. I-convert natin siya into your infix. So first, we are going to scan natin from right to left. Yung pag-scan natin. And then, pag-scan natin ng unang element, so we have B character, so that is an operand. So, before we push, mag-perform ng push operation, so again, we perform the is full operation. So, is full operation muna tayo. To check if the stack is full or not. And then right after that, scan natin yung notation. So we have B. So that is an operand. So we are going to push yung ating B sa stack natin. So yan na siya. And then again, next we have your A. So A is an operand. So since it is operand, push operation tayo. So we have here, so yung laman ng stack natin or elements A na doon sa pinaka-top, and then B yung pinaka-bottom. And then next, scan natin. So we have addition sign. So addition sign, so that is an operator. So since that is an operator, yung mangyayari, magpa-perform tayo ng pop operation doon sa stack natin. We are going to push A. So, ipupush natin yung A sa ating stack. So, push natin yung A sa stack natin. And then, pop pala. Pop. This is pop. Hindi push. So, pop natin yung A. So, saan mapupunta yung A element natin? So, A element natin will be put at the left operand natin. And then, pop natin yung B. So, pop natin yung B. And then, yung B element natin mapupunta sa right operand. And then, yung sign na addition natin kanina will be put doon sa ating in-between ng elements na napop, and then enclose natin sila sa open and close parentheses. Yan. And then, itong nabuo natin na infix notation, yung mangyayari daw, ipupush back natin sa stack natin. So, push. So, push natin. So, push natin yung A plus B sa stack natin. So, ito na lang yung matitira doon. So, that will be your final conversion from prefix expression to infix expression. So, here I have a challenge activity for each of you. So, for SCED 1 and SCED 2. So, kindly perform postfix to infix conversion. So, we have ABC plus asterisk D slash. So, that is division sign. So, try nyo convert. Yung gagawin nyo, just like yung ginawa natin sa papel, sa video. So, yun yung gagawin ninyo na process. And then, we have here prefix to infix conversion. So we have asterisk plus A plus B minus CD. So same then process. Yung gagawin nyo is yung paano natin ginawa sa papel yung conversion. So and then ilagay sa yellow pad. So one hole, I think one hole ito. So one hole yellow pad back to back. So first page dun sa front page will be postfix to infix, and then dun sa back page will be prefix to infix na activity. And then kailan isasubmit? So isasubmit nyo once na mag-meet up na tayo in our class. So that will serve as your take home quiz activity. So I hope Kung merong mang question regarding sa previous video conversions, so you can PM me directly para na maklarify natin or ma-answeran natin yung mga questions ninyo. So, see you next meeting sa class natin. And kindly papasa ito sa one whole yan pad. Yun lang, so thank you.